So hello guys, I have a glitch in Minecraft Bedrock Edition 1.16. First put the water right now and put 2 blocks right here. Okay. And now place it right here. Another one. Another one. Now another one. Now let's wait to flow it. Oh, it's already finished. And now it's already finished. Now break this right here. And now here is the glitch. You can see here it not turned into a cobblestone. Now let's write that. And now put this. No, we're gonna put this. No, I forgot. Just put this right so. Oh, and now put this. And now put this. Put this. And put this. So I post this into the Facebook. So this is the glitch in Minecraft Bedrock Edition 1.16. So make sure to download that. If you're in computer, it will work. I think you guys enjoyed this video. Please make sure to subscribe and like this video. Please make sure to subscribe. So this is the glitch I teach you in Minecraft Bedrock Edition 1.16. Please make sure to subscribe and like this video. Please.